Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am here with today's drawing video. Introducing the stationery, this is the Stylus 6B pencil, Domes eraser and the Posca pen for the outline. And the colors that I'll be using today are these shades. So these are some of the shades from the Faber-Castell pencil and some are from the Staedtler Luna pencil. The link for all the products is provided in the video description. You can just check them there. So today we are going to draw the drawing of the cactus plant. So just making a line here, a division line, and after that I am just going to draw one curve for the outer structure of the cactus plant, and after this making a slanting line and two more slanting line in both the directions, adding one more slanting line on the other side. Once I am done with this, I'm going to outline with the pen. So just look at the lines carefully and you will be able to draw it. So I'm starting with making the small pebbles around the base of the pot. So just look at the lines carefully. I'm making a curve and then joining them with the sleeping line. Some of them I'm making smaller and some of them bigger. So you can also draw them according to the space that you have. So it's a curve and a sleeping line curve. After this I am making a curve here, joining the line which I made with the pencil line. So this is basically for the mud part, and just making a double line around it for the top part of the pot, and then making one slanting line on one side and joining another slanting line on the other side. And then I am going to join these two at the bottom with a little curved line. So I have drawn the pot here. Now just outlining on the pencil line. I'm not doing the outline exactly on the pencil line, just making it a little wiggly to show it a natural structure of the cactus. Now here again I'm just adding few more parts of it. So just look at the lines carefully. I'm just making it around the slanting lines that I have drawn. First I have made the smaller part, as this part is overlapping the bigger structure that we have below it. Now I am drawing the one which is behind it. So just look at the lines carefully. Now adding few curves here and the smaller ones at the top. Just see the lines carefully and you will be able to draw it. It is not that difficult drawing. Again a curve on both the sides, one more curve. So the size can be small or big, that is not a problem. And just making the smaller ones behind it. And now just adding few lines here. So you can add the number of lines as per the space that you have. Now on the other side again I am making another one, just keeping the lines wiggly to give it a natural look. Just making the curves here again. Just see the lines carefully and you will be able to do it. It is not such a difficult drawing. Just adding few more lines. I hope you're liking the video and finding it very helpful. Do let me know in the comment section about this video, share your feedback, and also subscribe to my channel for daily drawing tutorials. You can check the other videos as well for different topics that I have made, and if you want me to draw anything specific, you can just mention that in the comment section. I will upload the video of the same with all the step-by-step instructions. So now I'm just erasing the pencil lines as I made it only for my help, and those were not the final lines. I have not outlined them, so I am just erasing them. And after this I'm going to start with the coloring. So at the top I am doing the dark pink color. So the coloring technique that I always share is just do the coloring in one direction and do not leave the spaces when you are coloring to get the smoothness. This is the Faber-Castell pencil that I am using here. The link for all the products is available in the video description. You can just check them there. Now I'm doing the dark green color here. This is the dark purple color in the Staedtler Luna pencil colors. I have added the dark brown for the mud and adding the lighter brown for the pot part. So I hope you liked the video and found it really helpful, and it will help you to make the drawing of the cactus plant very easily now. Do share your views about this video in the comment section, and please like and subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon for the regular notifications. And also you can share these videos with your friends. So we are done with today's drawing. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.